We are comparing the 108 megapixel CMOS BSI sensor on the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G against the 50 megapixel CMOS sensor of the Realme C35, a 40K Snapdragon 888 flagship versus a 12K Unisoc Tiger T616 budget device. How much of a difference in photo and video quality do you expect between a flagship and a budget device? That's what we are going to show you and focus on with side-by-side video and photo samples. Xiaomi 11T Pro's camera optical system uses 7 lenses, whereas Realme C35 uses 4 lenses. Have a look at the comparisons in daylight conditions, artificial lighting and low light scenarios and make your own judgment. We are scoring the samples according to the clarity, color reproduction, dynamic range, focusing and total quality. We will be awarding 1 point if it meets these criteria. Xiaomi 11T Pro has gained a lead in the points table over the Realme C35 as is expected of a 40K flagship versus a budget device. Now let's have a look at some daylight samples. Going through the samples, it becomes pretty evident that the Xiaomi 11T Pro does have a significant edge over the Realme C35 as it should, especially in color reproduction, brightness and dynamic range. The Realme C35 does tend to look washed out in certain scenarios and completely misses out on the blues of the sky. Though it does an okay job for a 12K device, the Xiaomi 11T Pro comfortably wins the camera battle as it should.